slow, cool, dark environment. Think wine cellar. Okay, not sunny windowsill. All right, optional helpers, not required. Boveda pack, 62%, helps relative humidity stay in the sweet spot. A small digital hygrometer. You can catch problems before they show up in the smell. So that was interesting. I didn't realize that the burping was not a daily thing for a couple of weeks. Here's the truth. Many people burp because somebody told them to, right? Not because they understand what it actually is doing inside the jar. Burping is not magic. You are just exchanging air and giving off moisture. If the room is already too dry, every time you burp, you're basically donating to the atmosphere and turning your into hay.